Hi everyone! Welcome to my video on how to draw a room in one-point perspective for beginners. For this tutorial, the materials you will need are a ruler, a pencil, a black pen or marker, and a medium of choice. It can be watercolor, crayon, colored pencil. I use gouache in this example. All right, one of the very first things that you need to establish is your horizon line. And the horizon line is a line that runs across your paper that represents your eye level. The next thing is the vanishing point. And the vanishing point is the point where receding lines fade. It's that point in the distance that all lines meet. You can create the illusion of distance and depth in an artwork by drawing your objects smaller and smaller as they get towards the horizon and the vanishing point. Here I draw the coffee table. I start with two horizontal lines that are parallel to one another. They're also parallel to the horizon line. Now to draw the sides of the table, I line my ruler up with the vanishing point and I draw diagonal lines towards it. Here I add another line below the front of the table to give it form, and then I draw the table legs. Now the couch is next. I use horizontal lines to draw the front edge of the couch where the cushion seats are. I line up the receding lines with the vanishing point. For the armrests, I make sure that my lines are going towards that dot. Now for the end tables, remember the sides of the tables need receding lines, and those lines you need to make sure your ruler is lined up with the dot, the vanishing point. And now I draw lamps, and I make sure to use curved lines for the edges. Here I add some art for the wall. The baseboards are next. Now to clean things up and add details where they're needed. And now for the wood floors. For the wood floors, I measure and mark the thickness of each plank using my ruler. Once my paper is marked, then I draw my receding lines towards the vanishing point. I make sure my ruler is lined up with the dot. Next, I add horizontal lines for every other plank, and then I alternate. Using a black fine tip marker, I trace the pencil lines. Now I add some color using gouache, but you can use any medium you'd like. Here's a drawing tip. Take a photo of your own living room and use it as a reference image. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more of my art videos and tutorials at Art by Nestle.